Hello, my name is EX.NO.9. My registration number is UR15CS059. Today I'm going to explain about example number 9, which is applet. We have two questions in applet. Where first one, to create an applet program to display the following figure, which is this figure. Now, and I have another question also, where create Java applet program to cal- to calculate to create a calculator from a Java applet program using AWT applet. Now we will see the code of the calculator from the Java applet program, and we'll proceed to the Eclipse. Uh, Now we have the header file as import java.awt star as the header file of this program, because it's used in all AWT programs. Now public class uh, calculator extends frame and implements action listener. This is because it inheritance from frames and implements from action listener. Now uh, now we have a now we create button for the calculator. This button is used for 0 to 9 buttons, and this 4 is for the operations or like multiplication, addition. These 4 buttons are for the and these buttons are created uh, directly, EQ, clear and exit, but these two are in arrays. So we have 10 buttons here and 4 buttons here. Now we have the text field T1. Now we have a initial variables V1, V2 and V3 and character OP. Now we have the constructor calculator, where we'll use the for loop. I is equals to 0 to 10, less than 10, then I is incremented, because this is to this uh, this this for loop is used to print the 0 to 9 button names, and after that we have the other 4 uh, buttons for the plus, minus, multiplication, division. Now then after that we have equal to EQ new button and clear new button, T1 new text field. After that set visible true is given, because to see the visibility of that calculator is by giving it true. If it wasn't there, the calculator won't be visible. Then after that we'll add the buttons in the calculator by using this function add T1 add bi. Using the for loop we'll add the first 0 to 9 numbers, and this for loop is for the operation buttons, adding the operation buttons, and will add the other buttons by this add function. Then we have grid layout object. Grid layout is created by 3 by comma 5. After that we set the layout G of the grid layout. We set the layout as grid layout by this function. After that we'll set the size 500 comma 500. After that we'll use a for loop for action listener to call the add action listener to add the functions of that button. Now this for first 0 to 9 and first for that arithmetic operation, then clear equal to exit, these add action listener functions are used. After that we'll use the add the function action performed, where action event is used, parameter is used, where we have a character C, and if character is digit, the T1 dot set text, T1 dot text is called. After that else the switch case function is used, where if C the if plus case for plus, where it just use the plus function, addition functions in that operation, and for minus, the minus functions are used in OP, and multiplication same for the goes for others. And if operation is equal to plus, then the function of plus is addition is given v1 plus v2, and for minus v1 minus v2, and for multiplication v1 into v2, and for division v1 divided by v2, and we'll just call the set text function by the object t1. Then after that we'll print the system, then we'll exit from the system by system.ext. After that we have the main method where the calculator's object is created. Now we'll execute it, where we have the calculator. Now we'll see some operation 2 plus 7 is equals to 9. See, we can see that this is working properly. Now we'll go for the other Java applet program, which is creating this colorful train by using the Java applet program. We'll go proceed to the codings. Now we have import java.applet as the header file. Now we have to create a public class of experiment 8 extends applet, where we inherit applet functions in that class, public class. After that we have the function paint of graphics G, where we give we have some particular functions given, and the G object is used to call the functions from the Java applet. We can set color by set color function, where color is given blue, and this function is used for body, and for window we have this set color yellow, and rectangle shape are used. After the starting part, after rectangle part, we have the oval shape for tires of the, so we have the function fill oval. For rectangle we have fill rectangle rect. Then this same goes for the other 4 tires. Then we have the triangular part, where we'll see the fill polygon of AB3, and this is used for the chimney red, and we fill the rectangle by this coordinates. These coordinates are calculated by me by seeing the situations. Now I'll just execute this program, and after executing it we get the output as this train. Thus we can see that in this program we have to calculate the coordinates of the every coordinates of the every points, where we have to give the color and the shape of the train or the applet. So this program is executed, these 2 programs is executed properly for the experiment number 9. So thank you for watching this video.